Okay, so we're working on the 67 van again. I got a leaky valve cover gasket. It's been leaking for quite a while. It's starting to smell, so you can smell the burning oil. So I figure it's time to change it. Okay, so we're going to start by undoing these wing nuts. Okay, so now I have to get over here. There's two bolts to hold this on. It's kind of a pain to get to, so I'm going to take that off and then I'll come back. Okay, so I got the air cleaner cover off. Two bolts hold it on. So let's have a closer look here. Pretty straightforward. There's that aftermarket carb that I put on probably 2 years ago. And actually it's working really good. Surprised. So not bad for a cheap aftermarket carb. Okay, so I'm going to take the valve cover bolts off. I'll show you when I'm done. Well, I started to take the bolts off and I checked this one and they were loose. So this one here I haven't tried yet, so let's try it. Yeah, they're only hand tight for some reason. Let's try this one. Wow, that's loose. Oh, no wonder it's leaking. That's loose. Loose. That one already loosened. Well, there you go. I guess that's why it was leaking. All right, let me take that off and then okay, got the bolts out. Okay, so I'm not sure, I might have to take this gas line off. Let's see. Yeah, looks like I'm going to take that gas line off and this couple wires here, so let me do that. Okay, I gotta cut a few zip ties, disconnect the choke and the oil sender. Okay, looks like it's ready to come off. Okay, there we go. Let's have a look here. Alright, yes, it looks as good as it could be. Alright, let's take the valve cover over to the bench and replace the... Okay, so we got it on the bench, so I'm going to scrape off the old gasket, and here's the new one. There's the old part number if anyone needs it, and why you would want it, but just thought I'd show it. So let me scrape this up and clean it. Okay, now I'm going to clean this all up, and we'll put the new. Okay, so I got it all cleaned up. Took a little while to scrape it all out, and I'm gonna throw some of this on here in various spots to hold the gasket. Alright, let's put the valve cover in. See if we can do this one-handed. Okay, I'll throw the bolts in, and then we'll start it up. Okay, those are all torqued down to the specifications. Alright, so we got it all buttoned back up, cleaned up the engine there a bit. So let's fire it up. Okay, well, that's it. Thanks for watching.